Hello, continuing in section 3.1 about biofuels. A biofuel is any fuel taken from living or recently living organisms. Animal waste is an example of a biofuel. Biofuels can be used instead of fossil fuel in modified engines for transport and in generators at power stations. Biodiesel uses waste vegetable oil and plants such as ethanol from fermented sugarcane, straw, nutshells, and wood chip. A biofuel is renewable because its biological source either regrows or is continually produced as sewage and rubbish. This means it's used at the same rate that it is replaced. And it is carbon neutral because in theory, the carbon that the living organism takes in from the atmosphere as carbon dioxide can balance the amount that is released when the biofuel is burned.